Let's do question 19. And I want to see if I can make this a little bit bigger. All right. So the order of operations, let's do some colors here. Grouping comes first, and then powers. What colors did I have for powers? Let me check something really quickly. Oh, good. E. Um, Exponents and roots come next. Uh, Multiplication and division. And finally, addition and subtraction. And I use, yeah, switch that purple. I've got a student asking, let's see. All right. And oh, Alex, you are here. Okay, good. So I only just got your text. So we start with grouping, and grouping is inside out. Do we have any grouping in example 19?
Yes.
Okay, great. Y'all are pretty awesome. Oh, and thank you all for being amazing last Thursday. Dr. Griffith just had so many positive things to say about you all. So thank you. Turn this on. I don't know if that helped. Okay, so I want to look at the grouping, and this time we've got square brackets and parentheses. So I call this symbol a square bracket. This symbol a parentheses. And we don't have one of these in this example, but it's good to have the vocabulary. This is a curly bracket. And all of these are grouping. So it doesn't matter what they look like. With grouping, you start from the inside and work out. So the innermost part is 6 minus 7. What is 6 minus 7?
-1.
Awesome. Thank you, Jane. So we have -1 minus 1. which is
-2.
thank you. All right, I'm not going to do the powers yet so that we have something to do at the next step. So let's rewrite. And we've got 2 times -5 plus 6 divided by -2, and I'm going to put this in. So the thing we just did is in this dark green, everything else is in blue. And the second thing we're going to do is exponents, and that's exponents and roots. And we only have one. What is -2 squared? What is -2 times -2?
-4.
Almost. So negative times negative is,
Oh, wait, wouldn't it be positive, actually? Sorry.
that's okay. Exactly correct. So we get +4, and that's because negative times negative is positive. That takes care of the negative, and 2 times 2 is 4. All right, and now we're going to do multiplication and division, starting at the left and going right. That's a little bit weird. Okay, let's see. This is definitely, what operation is 2 with open parentheses, -5 close parentheses? What operation is that?
Multiplication.
Good, thanks. Who was that? I didn't see who said that. Thank you. So we have multiplication. That means we're going to start with multiplication. 2 times -5 is -10. So we've got -10 plus 6 over 4. What is not obvious when I write this question as a fraction is clearer if I write it using a division symbol instead of a division bar. So this is the same as -10 plus 6 divided by 4. And now do we see that there's actually more grouping? Yeah, good. So I need to add or subtract from left to right. Adding comes first. I've got a positive number and a negative. That means I subtract. I'm going to do 10 minus 6, which is,
-4.
yeah, so I get 4, and the 10 is negative, so the answer is -4. Good. And now we're taking -4 and we're dividing it by 4. And whenever you're multiplying or dividing positive and negative numbers, do the positive and negative part separately from the numbers. So we're first going to do a negative divided by a positive. What is that sign? Is a negative divided by a positive positive? or is it negative?
Negative.
Good. Now I can ignore the signs and it's much easier. 4 divided by 4.
1.
Perfect. Okay. I want y'all to do, oh, there's not another one similar to this. So I'm going to make, oh, here, this is good. I want y'all to do 15. And we're going to call 15 try this one. So I want you to do this question. We're going to go over it together in a moment. I'm going to pause the video so that we don't just have everybody working. All right, I'm going to copy the question so that it's bigger. This is try this one. Oops, wrong way. And it's also question 16. We've got 21 divided by 3 plus 10 minus 8 over 2 minus negative 1. Okay, so please please unmute yourselves. I see that Jade has unmuted herself.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, thank you. I see y'all. Yay. What operation do we do first?
The grouping.
10 minus 8.
So what is it called?
Jim
Grouping.
DOS.
The grouping.
Grouping. We're going to do grouping first. And what we didn't say explicitly last time, but I would like to say explicitly now, is if we've got a situation like this with a division bar in the middle, then that is the same as (21) divided by 3 plus 10 minus 8 divided by 2 minus negative 1. So these are the same. And what do you notice if I write the division bar as a division sign?
It gains more precedence.
Yes. So the whole numerator is a group. The entire denominator is a group. And when we are dealing with groups, where do we start? Do we start at the outside or the inside?
The inside.
Perfect. So we're going to start with the first group and the inside. So what is our first value?
8 minus 10, which will come out to 2.
Perfect. And I'm just going to copy down where we are. Okay. What's next?
21 divided by 3, which will come out to 7.
Perfect. It really helps, and it doesn't take too long, to copy the things you didn't change next to what you did change. So we found 21 divided by 3 is 7, and just copied the rest.
Mhm.
Alrighty, now what?
And then you gotta
Good.
do the
Say it.
2 minus, and then you gotta do the 2 minus the -1, but
All right,
that would just be 2 plus 1, right?
awesome. Okay. Now what?
Add the 2 to the 7.
Okay. 7 plus 2.
Comes out to 9.
9.
Excellent. Alrighty, now what?
This
2
one,
plus 1
3.
comes out to 3.
Good. And
Most. Sorry.
yay. So I'd like for you to think of order of operations like a puzzle. We do one thing at a time, and we just make sure to copy everything else down at each step so that if I accidentally miscopy, but I do the operations correctly, then no points are taken off. That's one of the reasons why I do not like online exams, because it's either right or wrong. We won't have that in our class. Okay, I'm going to stop this recording so that we can save it later.